Hi there and welcome to this 2-minute tips video, and today we're going to be looking at focus point options. So focus point options is a piece of functionality that allows you to tweak how the focus point displays in the EVF and on the LCD in two particular focus modes. The first one being manual focus, when you're manually focusing using the lens ring. And the second is dynamic area AF assist. So this is where you will see a single focus box with 8 dots around it, and where the camera, if you focused on a subject and the subject moves slightly out of the narrow focus area, it will refocus in that area where the 8 dots are. The focus point options functionality doesn't change how the focusing mode works, but only how the focus point shows on the EVF or the LCD. So if we want to adjust it, we go to the custom settings menu and we look for option A10, focus point options. In here you'll see the two different scenarios, manual focus and dynamic area autofocus assist. And in both of those you'll be able to turn it either on or off. So let's look at what that means for each of the scenarios, starting with manual focus. So when we're manually focusing, if we have this functionality turned on, what we'll see is a single focus point with a box around it, and you can move this focus point around the LCD or the EVF using the thumb control to put it over whatever your subject is that you want to be in focus. When that subject is out of focus, the box will be red, and as you move the focus ring on the lens to bring it into focus, when it becomes in focus, the focus box will turn green. So it's really useful if you're using manual focus and you've got a very small area that you're trying to bring into focus. It's a real help to make sure you've got the focus really nailed. It can be used in collaboration with focus peaking. However, whereas focus peaking will find what's in focus across the whole of the LCD, this is about really precision focusing. Obviously if you turn it off, you won't have the benefit of that focus point on the LCD or the EVF. If we now look at the dynamic area autofocus assist mode, this is the one, as I say, that has a single focus point box in the middle and then 8 dots around it to denote the area if your subject moves into the camera will refocus. And here, if you have it turned on, you will get the 8 dots around the focus point. If you have it turned off, you won't get those 8 dots. So that really is a personal preference as to how much assist you want on the LCD and EVF. So as I say, it's a really useful piece of functionality to allow you to really adjust your camera depending on how you're planning to shoot. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell below to be notified of future videos, and I look forward to seeing you in a future video.